Good morning, friends. This is time for the trade plan for 3rd of June 2020, and as of 6:35 a.m. the SGX is up 100. Now the issue is a lot of people have not been able to make money in a market that has gone up roaring for about 5 consecutive days. And what is the problem? The problem is all between their two ears. Okay. A, people think it's too fast. Sir, who are you to decide the speed? B, everything is bad. Why is the market rally? The market does not owe any explanation to anybody. Okay. So, if you cannot get yourself out of the way, and Indians love to argue, it's just that market is not used to it and it will roger you if you get into that sort of argument. Then another problem I have seen is that at every point they feel that the market should turn down without any evidence. They will keep buying puts. If you look at the client data, which is the retail data, which is given out by SEBI, etc., NSE, you will see all retail is going short as the market rallies. And every day when the market opens a 100-point gap up, who loses their shirt? It's the retail. Giving all kinds of theories can only make you sound intelligent. It does not mean you will make money. An uneducated school dropout person has a much greater chance of making money rather than our wise middle class who knows nothing about nothing. All your analysis is great because half of it has been picked up from television, but it will not make money in the market. Okay. The market has distributed money since last week, but some people don't want to take it. For years, I wanted to become that great expert who could explain everything. And that is what stood in the way of my making money. 100-point discount, there was so much brouhaha. Well, finally, there is no discount. But did you make money? So, these are questions you have to ask yourself. It's best not to give your mind a workout because your mind is a stupid organ. You can make it think anything you like, and it often misguides you. Hence, it is very important that you leave things to a process instead of trying to rationalize, trying to justify it to yourself, etc. Now, some people may think, which tangent is he going on early in the morning? Sir, the tangent that I am going on makes money. Every day on television, people come and they say, go long. Do people follow? And that is the reason this is the toughest consultancy business. Whatever we advise, people do not follow. Why? Because they do their own thinking. Okay? And hence they miss out on the big trades. So, we are not trained to think about the market, and we shouldn't. All we need to look at is what is the market telling us. If you can't hear that, the market cares two hoots about your story. Okay? So, it's not about knowing VWAP. It is not about knowing why the discount is there, why the premium is there, why the PCR is there. Has all of this helped you make money? No. But it, satisfies you that you are very intelligent. Well, good luck. If you don't change this thought process, let me assure you, you will never, and I repeat, never make money. The Nifty support for the day is 9848 to 9905. Resistance is 10,019 to 10,076. Bank Nifty support is around 20,000 to 20,237, and resistance is 20,695 to 20,925. Now again, we are going to open above all of these levels. And as we go up more and more, the breakout trade becomes more difficult to take. So, while the right thing to do is possibly that you still play the breakout with a 50-point stop, if you are risk averse and if you think the market has run up quite a bit, then back off and wait for the market to get into some sort of a congestion, like we were in a congestion for the previous 2 days, and later on yesterday post afternoon we broke out. Again, post the gap up today, my sense is that the market goes flat. So even if you get in after a gap up, I don't think you will make a great amount of money. So what is my plan? That the market opens and gaps up, and then I wait for the market to go into a congestion to a flattish zone, and in that flattish zone I will find opportunities like yesterday. If you see, the market gapped down to the lower end of the congestion, and that gave you a very nice entry. Similar entries will come. Okay, so whether you have to buy a breakout or not is your individual decision, but to go short is first rate stupidity. Okay, I will not go short. Either I buy on a gap down, or at higher levels, if I am not keen, I just wait and see what happens. According to me, a lot of our rally happened yesterday. We could gap up again today, but buying at 10,100 is not the best scenario. If you wait for a consolidation, possibly buying maybe closer to 10,000 could be my idea. Let's wait and see. The idea is you participate at the exact point where the market gives you a good risk reward trade. In terms of individual stocks, same stocks, consumer, private banks, RIL, and all kinds of domestic consumer stocks, shops which are opening today or in this week, stuff like Havels or Voltas and Jubilant Food and Titan and all of those sort of stocks can be bought into. But overall on the market, post the open, I would expect the market to go into a huddle. It will define a range for me, and then I want to buy at the lower end of that range, which I may get today or tomorrow, I don't know, but I will buy from a point where I can put my 50-point stop, and that point is never revisited again. So, it's nice to be careful, but it's not nice to be stupid. So just stay on the buy side. If you just do that simple thing, you will keep yourself safe and make money. Timing, I have told you, we have to wait for a range because we are opening so far above even the Camarilla levels excuse me, that it's very difficult to use even those levels for timing, and breakout trade will most probably fail fairly soon enough, although not fail in a manner where you can go short. So wait for a range and try to buy at the lower end. I think this market will go to a level which people do not foresee today. Could be 10,500, 10,800, which was the tax cut low. So that is possible. That is called mean reversion, something I have explained on this channel. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.